Hi, Michelle here. I wanted to jump on camera for just a few minutes because I got a little bit of plant mail. What I do with plant mail is I am very selective of what I get and how often I get plant mail. So I haven't got any plant mail for the last couple of months. So I felt like I was due, and I got a wish list plant. I got a cutting. So this box got a little lost in the mail. So I'm hoping that it came through okay. So we're going to open this box and we're going to see what it contains. If you like today's video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up to let me know that you like the content. If you'd like to see more plant-related content from me, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have a comment, please put it in the comment section below. Now, let's go ahead and open up the box. So this is a cutting, so this is not a plant. Here we are. This is from someone on Facebook, and look, I got a little sticker and everything, and we're got it wrapped in some cardboard, and then it's in some cardboard, and then it's in a little cup, and it's taped in here pretty good, so I'll just use some tape. No tape is good enough to stop me. All right, and here we are. Oh, it's got some beautiful new roots. Must have rooted while traveling. And I don't want to touch the roots, so I will try and touch the... Oh my gosh, they're so pubescent on the bottom. So this is a Verstigii. As you can see by the leaves, it is ruffled on the edges, and underneath is fuzzy. It's pubescent. It's so soft. It feels like a velveteen ribbon is what it feels like. So I got this. It's a rooted cutting. As you can see, it's got those nice roots starting. So I will put on the screen the name of who I bought it from. But these look lovely. I'm going to hurry up and I'm going to put this in some tree fern fiber and put this in my Millsville cabinet, and I cannot wait. So let me go ahead. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go get my stuff, pot this up, and I'll be right back when I get it done. I'm back from potting up the Verstigii cutting, and here we are. That is what I came up with. Just a cute little potting up. It's in tree fern fiber. It's got a pot that has holes punched in the bottom, and then a catch pot outside to catch all the water, and that will keep it wet and moist, but yet airy and have some air around the roots. And I really hope that this acclimates to my cabinets fast. I hope that it starts growing fast, and I can't wait to see it grow more. So this is just my quick video for today. I really hope you enjoyed coming with me and seeing my Verstigii that I got. It's a wish list plant for me. I hope to see you on the next video. Until then, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.